Hello guys, this is Ahmed Ogua. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to add staff members from an Excel file. To add a staff member from an Excel file, click on Human Resource, you click on Staff, and then you click on Import from Excel. And then here there is a format. You download the format. So let me download the format. So this is the format you are to follow. So this is the format, the title. You need to follow this format very well. So I have some details on the desktop that I've already added. So this stuff. Stuff Oxford. So yes, these are another staff details. These are, so I'll upload this. I'll upload these 4 details, 1 2 3 4. So I'll come to browse, and then I'll select Oxford users, and then I'll click on upload. So you can see recorded successfully. So if I should return to human resource staff, you can see we added 4 details, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So this is how you can add staff members from an Excel file.